This clean 2013 Dodge Caravan is winter ready with snow tires installed, and it's the perfect vehicle to transport family and friends in comfort with room to spare for your luggage. This low-kilometre van features dual sliding rear doors for easy access, rear privacy glass, a bumper protector, and color-matched rear spoiler. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious clean cargo area along with fold-in-the-floor third-row seating. The van shows well from all angles, and it offers seating for 7 people or a large cargo bay with Stow'n'go seating. The interior is spacious and the cloth upholstery is in top condition. Comfort features include air conditioning, power windows and locks, captain chair seating with fold-down armrests, cruise control, a leather-wrapped wheel, tilt steering, and an AM/FM display audio system with Bluetooth and steering wheel controls. In the back, there's adjustable seating and plenty of legroom for your passengers, and with dual sliding doors, access is easy for everyone. The engine bay is freshly detailed, and power comes from a 3.6 Litre V6 engine mated to an automatic transmission. Call today and book your test drive in this popular people mover, or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.